Hello, welcome to my channel. We've been eagerly awaiting the bull season for a long time. I first mentioned the bull season on my channel about 6 months ago. Back then, the value of Bitcoin was around $25,000. Now, it's around $40,000. I've created many videos for you. Those who follow my channel and watch my videos now know when the Bitcoin halving period will occur, when the bull season will arrive, how to use crypto exchanges, and how to trade. We're experiencing the effects of the bull season. Launchpads are becoming active again. Press sales are coming, leaving good profits for investors. The way to win in crypto is to be patient and follow all opportunities without giving up. Don't be lazy, take action. I want to give a warning in this video. You don't have to invest at all, and I'm not giving you investment advice. I just want you to be aware of everything and learn by researching. Based on my own research, I believe in Bitcoin, and according to my belief, when the Bitcoin halving period arrives, everything will be very different. The crypto market is growing and new opportunities emerge every day. Keep following me. In my next videos, I'll talk about different and profitable launchpad systems. See you in the next video.